Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much. In this video I want to prepare rice and beans fufu. This is my rice powder. I will prepare this is on my YouTube channel. This is my beans powder. So join us as we're about to prepare this. So this is beans powder. I want to add one inside this. So I want to cover it. So beautiful people, thank you very much for watching. Please, if you are just seeing us for the first time, help me to subscribe, share my video with your friend and family. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. This is our fufu. It will be delicious. You see the texture of this? This is nice and delicious food. So I want to pack it now. It's ready to pack. So thank you very much for watching. This is our rice and beans fufu. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share and like, comment, and see you where we'll be eating our fufu. This is rice powder, beans powder. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.